This is my updated bike check. Got the ODI long neck super soft grips. Stolen Vortex bar ends. King Cumin bars. Sunday free stem. Shadow Conspiracy headset. Bird Monas frame. Fit Shiv 2 forks. Fit Pfaff tire. Alienation Axis front rim. Got the Subrosa Zombieland seat. Animal wedge post. KMC Cool K710 chain. Mission Nexus 25-2 sprocket. Profile BMX GGH cranks. Premium slim piece pedals. Fit Pfaff tire. Demolition Rogue back rim. And Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket bearings. And I think that's it. Please rate, subscribe, comment. Peace.